Amaano academic competition. Today's competition is going to be between Year 10 girls and Year 10 boys. So we are here to welcome you. First, I'll explain the segments, what you're supposed to do in the segment that we have. Then thereafter, we will kick off the competition. As you can see on the screen, we have a display board that has an equation ball. From that ball, we have numbers 1 to 18. These numbers are supposed to be selected randomly. It doesn't matter which class you're from. So both girls and the boys, you can choose numbers at random. Meaning, after questions 18, we will have 9 for both classes. These questions are worth 5 points. The second segment will be Crossfire Section. So in that section, the students will go head to head by answering crossfire questions, which will be read out, and the first student to press the bell will have not more than 15 seconds to answer the question. If 15 seconds expire, the question will be regarded as a pass for both teams. We'll begin with the introduction. So from the boys' side, I'll start with my far right. You speak through the mic and say your name and class.
My name is Ridwan Ibrahim, from grade 10.
Welcome, Ridwan.
Muhammad Ali, grade 10.
Welcome, Mohammed, to the competition.
Xalqada, grade 10.
Muntasa, welcome to the competition.
Hi, Yasin.
Ahmed Yasin, welcome to the competition. Let me move to the girls' side. Start from my far left.
Nadira Ismail, grade 10.
Nadira, welcome to the competition.
Huda Hassan, grade 10.
Huda, welcome to competition.
Shukri, grade 10.
Shukri, you're welcome to the competition.
Salma Dawad, grade 10.
And last but not least, we have Salma. Welcome to the competition. Now that you all know the rules, we should begin. So we can toss and see which team goes first. Okay, which team can volunteer and go first? The girls. So the girls will go first. So girls, pick a number from the display screen and we'll unveil the question. Yes, number 1. Okay. This number 1 is an English question. Which of the following formal phrases, which is the most formal phrase to complete this sentence? Dash, that vulnerable elderly people deserve the highest level of care possible. Yes? A, I believe. That is correct for the girls. Number 3 for the boys. Okay, this is an ICT question. This is not a multiple choice, you have to calculate it. Calculate the number of bits that are in 80 bytes. Calculate the number of bits that are in 80 bytes. 4 seconds. Yes?
1 bit.
1 bit. Can you unveil the answer? That is wrong because we multiply 1 byte is 80 bits. So it's 80 times 8, which is 640 bits is the correct answer. So they get 0. Okay, girls, pick a number. Yes?
4.
Number 4 for the girls. Okay, that is a math question. Factorize, the factorized form of x squared minus 25 is what? The factorized form of x squared minus 25 is what? Yes? D. That is correct for the girls. Okay, we pass on to the boys. Boys, pick a number. Yes.
7.
Number 7 for the boys. Number 7 is a chemistry question. Which of the following molecules contain only single covalent bonds? N2, CO2, O2, F2. Which of the following molecules contain only single covalent bond? N2, CO2, O2, F2. Yes? A, N2. That is wrong. The correct answer is F2. We move to the girls. Pick a number from the board, please. Yes. Number?
Question 6.
6. Okay. This is a physics question. When a skydiver falls through the sky, there comes a time when they stop accelerating and fall at a constant velocity. This is called the air terminal, B, terminal speed, C, terminal velocity, and D, terminal gravity. C. That is correct for the girls. Okay, boys, pick a number.
Question 8.
Question number 8. Okay, also a chemistry question. What changes occur to an atom when it forms a negative ion? A, it loses an electron, it gains protons, it gains electrons, or it loses protons. Yes, C, it gains electrons. Yeah, that's correct for the boys. We move to the girls. Girls, pick a number, please.
9.
Number 9 for the girls. This is a geography question. Identify an abiotic factor that affects coastal ecosystem. A, fungi, B, plants, C, climate, D, animals. Yes, girls? C, climate. Yes, that's correct for the girls. 5 points for the girls. Let's move to the boys. Take a number, please, boys. Yes?
10.
Number 10. Okay. Number 10 for the boys. This is not a multiple choice. Identify a keyboard shortcut for superscript in Word document. An ICT question. A shortcut for superscript in Word document. Five seconds. Yes.
Control plus.
Control plus?
D.
No.
D.
Control shift plus sign pressed at the same time. Superscript. For example, in 2 squared, the 2 that is up there is superscript. So if you press Control Shift plus and plus sign at the same time. Okay, we move to the girls. Pick a number. Yes, Uda? Yes?
5.
Number 5, yes, number 5. Okay, this is also, there's no multiple question. We told the force is equals to mass times acceleration. What are the units for mass? Yes?
Kilogram.
Kilogram, that's kg. And get the answer? Yes, that's correct for the girls. The questions are being selected randomly. Okay, the boys, select a question.
11.
Question 11, yes, 11. Question 11. This is an English question. What does the idiom in bold means? Now, in this case, it's the underlined. We really want to keep our wedding private, so you must not let the cat out of the bag. A, reveal a secret. B, not keep a secret. C, keep a secret. And D, allow the animal to escape. Yes? C, keep a secret. That's incorrect. The correct answer is A. Okay, girls, we pass to the girls. Pick a number. Yes?
14.
Number 14, yes. Okay, this number 14 is a chemistry question. Which of the following is the electronic configuration of magnesium? 283, 282, 281, 284. The girls? Yes. B, 282. That's correct for the girls. Pick the numbers we have. Yes, boys.
Question 18.
Question 18, yes, for the boys. This is a physics question. When the driver sees a problem ahead, the car travels some distance whilst the driver reacts to the seeing the problem. What is this called? Stopping distance, thinking distance, braking distance, and overall distance. Yes?
B, thinking distance.
Thinking distance. Yes, that's correct for the boys. Okay, girls, we have 12, 13, 15, and 17. Yes,
15.
number 15. Okay, this is a biology question. When the right ventricle contracts, to which of the following structures does the blood flow next? Aorta, right ventricle, pulmonary artery, left ventricle. Yes, girls? It is pass. The question has ended without answer, so that's a pass. Okay. Reveal the answer. Yes. So it's 0. It's not answered within the time that's needed. That's a pass. Okay. Number 12. The boys. Okay. Which of the following diseases is not caused by a virus? AIDS, measles, malaria, influenza. Yes. C, malaria. That's correct for the boys. Number 13 and 17. Girls, you pick one. Then boys will close.
13.
Number 13. This is a math question. Within 30 seconds, the slope of a line with the equation 2y is equals to minus 4x plus 8 is? Yes?
D.
Yes?
D.
D, negative 2. Yes, that's correct for the girls. Last but not least, the boys obey the rules. Yes, we have the last, which is question 17 for the boys. This is a geography question. Which of the following is not a feature formed in the upper course of a river? Interlocking spur, a gorge, waterfalls and rapids. Yes. A. Interlocking spurs. That's correct for the boys. So that marks the end of the first segment, whereby each of the groups, each group has answered 7 questions. We are going to the second segment of the competition, which is a crossfire section. So I'd request the participants to come to the crossfire table.
magacaygu waa Cabdiraxmaan Xasan Ibraahim waxaan ahay General Manager-ka Amaano Boarding and Day School-kan Amaano waxa weeyaan school la jaan qaadi kara iskuulada casriga ee waqtigan aynu joogiyada ka jira school-kan wuxuu leeyahay qaybo kala duwan qaybahaas oo ay ka mid tahay Science Lab-ka ICT Lab English Lab oo ardaygu maqal iyo muuqaal wax ku dhiganayo iyo qayb cusub imkaan soo kordhinay oo ah Health Center ah oo lagu controlayo cudurrada ay ardaydu isqaadsiiyaan neerasta iyo dhakhtarkina diyaar u yihiin waxa kaloo iskuulkan uu leeyahay qaybo badan oo sportska kala duwan sida footballka oo habliyayna male basketballka volleyballka iyo game center aan ugu talagalnay marka ardaydu ay waxbarashadooda dhamaystaan si ay ugu nafisaan iskuulkan wuxuu ka kooban yahay guud ahaan 3 qaybood qaybta koowaad oo ah dhayga sida caadiga iskuulada qaybta labaad full time ardaygu qadada ku cunayo kadibna malcaamada galayo haddana tuition-kii qaadanayo homework uu kaga shaqaynayo iskuulka oo package isku dhana iyo qaybta boarding-ka oo ardayga ah hooygiisii iskuulkan Amaano waxa uu maanta oran kara heerka wuxuu soo gaaray waalidiinta oo markasta fikir iyo wax kasta la garab jooga had iyo jeerna maaragtay dareenkooga iyo wixii iskuulka lagu horumarin lahaa nala garab taagan
application-kan oo aad kala socon karto dhammaan macluumaadka ilmahaaga waxaad application-kan kala socon kartaa dhammaan xog kasta oo ku saabsan ilmahaaga sida assignment-nada fiiyada imtixaanada iyo waliba macallimiinta u dhiga kala soo deg application-kan app-ka Play Store.
So welcome to the crossfire segment, whereby the first person to click on the green bell will be given the chance to answer the questions within the next 15 seconds. Girls and boys, physical science question. The most common instrument used for measuring gas pressure is what? Yes?
Syringe.
No? Okay, pass. So the answer is supposed to be manometer, used for measuring gas pressure. The common instrument used for measuring gas pressure is manometer. Give way for the second participants. Okay? The next question. This is about earth science. Earth science. So that includes geography. Name a planet in our solar system with the most nitrogen-rich atmosphere. Yes? Jupiter. Wrong? No. It is our planet, the Earth. Yes, this is a biology question, a life science question. What term is generally used for biological catalysts? What term is generally used for biological catalysts? Yes? Answer, that's correct. Okay, last but not least, chemistry question. So this is, how many neutrons does most isotopes of hydrogen have? Yes? 0, that's correct.
So when you make a total of the boys 20 plus 4, you get 24. The girls 35 plus 0, you get 35. Congratulations.